Good morning, students. Students of class 10. Today we will take the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. And the poet of this poem is Ogden Nash. As you know, this poem is written in the style of a ballad. Ballad is a kind of poem. A ballad may be defined as a simple song or poem, especially one that tells a story. Ballad often tells tales of courage or heroism. The present poem is humorous ballad. Humorous ballad close to a parody. It tells the story of Custard the dragon, who was thought to be a coward but who was brave and bold in reality. Now I am telling you in short the summary of the poem. This is a ballad, as I told you. It tells the story of Belinda, who lived in a little white house. She had 4 pets, a little black kitten named Ink, a little grey mouse named Blink, a little yellow dog named Mustard, and a little pet dragon named Custard. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears. Ink and Blink could chase lions down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as an angry tiger. All of them thought that they were very brave, but Custard the dragon was thought to be a coward. He was always crying for a nice, safe cage. Custard the dragon seemed to be a terror in his appearance. He had big, sharp teeth. The upper part of his body had spikes and the lower part had scales. His mouth was like a fireplace. His nose was like a chimney. There were daggers on his toes. Everybody thought that Custard was a coward. Belinda used to touch him. Ink, Blink, and Mustard nicknamed him as a Percival. They all sat in the red wagon and laughed at him. They made fun of him. One day, a fearful pirate entered their house. He came through a window. He had a pistol in each of his hands and a sharp sword. Sword means talwar. In his teeth, he had a black beard and a wooden leg. He had come to rob the house. As soon as Belinda saw the pirate, she was frightened out of her wits. She cried aloud for help. Mustard the dog ran away, and Ink the black cat hid herself. Blink the little mouse took shelter in his hole at once. But it was Custard who showed bravely, who faced him bravely. He snorted like an engine. He chased his tail powerfully, attacked the pirate. Just as the robin bird attacks a worm, the pirate was surprised and he began to drop from his bottle due to fear. He fired 2 bullets at the dragon, but they did not hit him. Then Custard swallowed the pirate fully. Now the danger was over. Belinda embraced Custard and Mustard began to lick him affectionately. Ink and Blink started dancing with joy, boasting of their bravery. They started to boast their bravery. Mustard remarked that if he had not been puzzled, he would have been doubly brave. Ink and Blink also claimed that they would have been thrice as brave. Custard, being good-natured, agreed that everybody was braver than him. So students, I think you are able to understand the poem. Now I am telling you what is the theme of the poem. This poem conveys the idea that those who frequently and loudly claim to be brave turn out to be coward in testing time. Those who are humble and seemingly cowards, they may prove to be really brave, as you have seen in this poem. Belinda and her pets, the kitten, the mouse, the dog, professed to be brave. They laughed at Custard, the dragon, that he is a coward, but in reality, Custard proves to be brave because he faces the pirate boldly and at last devours him. So, students, now you are able to understand the poem. Thank you, students.